Our next group, next presentation, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the Big Island with a number of 57 member delegation. Let's welcome our brothers and sisters from the islands of Tokelau. Talofa Nui, Talofa Ni. As Tokelau make their way to the front of the stage, this group of islands are made up of Atafu, Nukunono, and Whakaofo. O le nei atunuu mātangofie o Tokelau, ia o lo vaivaina I nai nuu nei po o tasi fo o lātou vaenga whaitaulia o Atafu, Nukunono, ma Whakaofo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to the delegation from Tokelau. Thank you.
Maloni, Talofalava, good evening to each and every one of you. We're going to perform a package of 5 songs. The first one is a song proclaiming our love for our beautiful island, Atapu, and how much we appreciate it and how thankful we are that God has given us such a beautiful island and very safe island as well. The next one is a song about our legendary hero Lu, who again is the person who was able to separate the earth and the sky, giving us the night and day as we all know as it is now. The third song is it's a fisherman's song, and that's a man's song, but we'll be dancing at the back. This song is a song to teach the young fishermen to be able to fish and to share their catches with their brothers, because that's the Tokelau way, and that's how we live and how much we rely on each other. The next one is a word dance. It's called a tahoi, which is a word dance, and the guys are going to do it on their own. This dance is a dance showing how we used to use our daos. I'm not so sure what to call it, but that's one of our the tools and what we used to fight with when we were in the old days. And the last song is it's a goodbye song, and just the appreciation of show our appreciation to Tuila and our host country here, also to the different island nations that here with us tonight, that is here to make the beautiful island of the Pacific Island. Thank you.